Hello, everybody. This is Partial Fractions, Part 5. This part is Claire Lee's contribution. I just rewrite her writing. She gave the solution to two partial fraction questions. The first one is this. This fraction can be written in partial fraction form like this. Multiply the common denominator. Then this becomes this expression. Let's compare the x term. On the left side, x term is 6x. On the right side, the x term is ax. Therefore, a equals 6. That's one of the answers. We want to find what a is, what b is. Here is the value of a. Now, let x equals -2. If x is -2, this term disappears because it is 0. Then I have this. X is -2. So I have this on the left-hand side, and the right-hand side is just b. Therefore, b is -5. This is another answer. So we have A and B found. That's the end of this partial fraction. The second question is this fraction. We write this in partial fraction form. Also notice that this part, the square part, gives one fraction with exponent 1, another expression exponent 2. This is the same as question 1. Again, we multiply the common denominator, then the left side here and the right side is a long expression. Let's compare x cubed term. There is no x cubed term on the left-hand side, so it's 0. On the right-hand side, this x squared times x, that's x cubed, so I have a. Here, x squared times x, that's x cubed, I have c. So I have 0 equals a plus c. That's my equation 1. Next, let's compare the constant term. On the left side, the constant is 4. It's 4. On the right-hand side, the constant will be given by this b times this 1 square. So I have b. And here I have -1, +1, So it's negative 1c, negative c. And this, the constant term is given by this 1, so it's c. I have this second equation. Let x equals 1. If x is 1, x minus 1 is gone. Here, x minus 1 is also gone. So I have only the left side and the right side with the d term. So I have this. From this, d is 1. That's one of our answers. Next, let x be negative 1. Similarly, put negative 1 into x, then I have this. It's a little bit long on the right-hand side. We simplify the right-hand side, I get this expression. We notice that I have negative 4a and negative 4c. Therefore, if I factor out negative 4, I have a plus c. And the b part is 4b. The left-hand side, you move the 2 to the left, I have 4. So I have this. But look at equation 1. A plus c is 0. Therefore, a plus c, this bracket is 0. So I have 4 equals 4b. This gives me b is 1. That's another one of our answers. Now, I have b equals 1. And here, d equals 1. So, because b equals 1, d equals 1, then equation 2 becomes 4 equals 1 minus c plus 1. I can find c now. C is negative 2. That's one of our answers. Once I have c, I can go to equation 1. C is found. Therefore, a can be found. So a is 2. So finally, I have a, I have b, I have c, I have d. So this equation, this partial fraction problem is solved. A, B, C, D. Very good. That's a contribution from Claire Lee. Thank you, Claire. And this is the summary of your contribution. Goodbye, my friends. I will see you next lesson. Bye.